K1 Locks. Today I come at you with Lock Pen by Albert Lebel entitled Loathing. I think I did Fear some time ago, so now we're doing the Loathing. Anyway, let us see what we can do. Alright, well, we raked her open. Let's see if we can do that again. Nice. Well, let's see if we can single pin pick it now. And there we go. Sweet. Alright, let's see. Let's go ahead and bust this sucker open. And see what old Mr. Lebel put in this lock. Son of a bitch bug. Alright. There we go. Sweet. Well, let's go ahead and just this sucker out. Alright, we have a standard, a spool, standard, and a standard. And in the core, it looks like we have undercuts in 2 and 4. Nice. And then I just need to find my tweezers. Yes. I'm sure they're right in front of me. Yep, just like I said, right in front of me. Alright, we have standard, spring, it's pin and pin, spring, spool, spring, let's see what we have here on the back end. Spool, spring, and pin and pin, drunken spool. And it looks like nothing has been done to the Bible, so nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got here. Let's do a little super zoom, shall we? Alright, so we have standard, standard, spool, standard, standard, standard. This is a pin and pin, a spool, a pin and pin with a drunken spool, and a spool, double spool. So, again, this lock comes to us from Albert Lebel. This one is called Loathing. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.